So the color is coming. I'm so excited. Okay, let me keep going. Oh, what the heck happened there? Did a thread broke? One of the, oh, these here. Oh. Okay, where this is supposed to be. Okay, that one is supposed to be there. These are already pretty much thread. It's crying. Let me see. Did one of this one broke? Yeah, I think one of the thread broke was this one, the yellow one. Okay, so I guess I had to thread that one, but at least the yellow one shouldn't be that hard because it's just those spots there. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, so the red is pretty much all threaded here. This one, let me see. Oh, the black one here, which I have as the green one. I don't know. You can see it is down there. The white one, which is the yellow one, broke, so I kind of threaded around. The only place that I haven't threaded is this is up to the area that I had threaded. I need to put it in the needle, and the blue one is pretty much done. See the other one and the green. The blue one was the first to go, and now the red, you can see it's right now in there. Hopefully we won't get stuck. I don't know. I have to see if it really goes through. We'll see. So it's the first time that I do the tying, and now I'm gonna pass. I already kind of oiled it. I don't know if you can see the oil. I oiled it there, and where's the thing? And over there. Yeah, it look a little bit oily. You see the line in there. You see kind of the oil kind of went a little bit that way. Okay, so let's try to thread the needle in there. Here you can see it was kind of doing it, right? Oh, and then it broke. I'm gonna try to put it. It's already kind of, it's just so hard. Oops. Oh, it's working. It's so weird for me to try to, then I guess it looks like I'm doing surgery or something like that. Yeah, so there we go. Okay, I'm gonna see it now. It works. Just give me a sec. Let's turn it on. Oh, are you kidding me? I was doing that and it wasn't all the way off. That's kind of scary. That feature of the light off and still working is a little bit scary. Oh no, but it's okay because I had this open. I doesn't work with this open, but it's scary because if I had that closed, I need to be careful this time. Okay, let's get started. Let's see if this works. Okay. I don't think it's working. I will. This one is going through the change. Let me see what is happening here. The rest in the same position. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so there's only three. Oh gosh, you can barely see. There's 3 threads. See, does it? See, you can see there's 3 threads. So we got this one, that one that I haven't turned green yet, the blue one. So the one that is missing is the red one, and you see it's all flimsy there. So yeah, I think it broke. So anyway, I'm gonna try to fix it this time. I turn it off all the way, even though I heard that this have a safety feature that doesn't run with this one, but let's not risk it. Okay, I'll try just to cut it and try to thread it on my own and see what happens. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that was the issue, that it broke. So I'm gonna cut it and thread it again. Okay, so to thread, this is what I'm threading so far, and I threaded through here, that line in there, and then I press this button right here to pass it through there. Maybe I should point with the thing. So I thread it through here. Oh gosh, this is bad. There, right there, and pass it through, and there's an opening right here. And then to pass this through this hook in there. Oh, there you can see better. Through that hook in there, which you can see, oops, you can see here the threading motion. Now I need to do the, where's my needle? Now I need to do through this little hole, but I pass it through here and then through here. And to do that one, I have to push this little heel down, and it will go back up, because I need to line this hole here with the other one so I can thread the last one. So this is how it's gonna look. Where is the other hole? Okay, let me put it like this so you can see when they kind of line up. Oh, I don't see the top one lining up. This one down, but it didn't line up. Well, maybe I can I thread it? I could thread it in there, or maybe I can just, the needle is now safe to do when the needle is up. Let's go. Oh, now it's, see, now it's in here. Okay, needle. It says also to kind of move this out of the way. Oh my god. Okay, needle is up, that is in there, and then I push this again, and that shows that. I just gonna try to thread it now. Let me, oh my god, this is hard to do it with the camera. I'm trying to, let me, it's hard to look through the camera there. Let's see, I think I can do it. I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, and looking through the camera is hard. No, tomorrow. No. 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 It's hard to look through the camera. There. Did we did it? Oh my god, I need to get it closer. Oh, there we go. Did we? Oh my god. Okay. Practice made perfect, right? Okay, let me grab. I'm so sorry. Okay, I put it, but I needed the camera because for the light. And type it out here. Oh, there it is. There it is. I did it. I think I did it. Let me just pull it. Oh, where did it go? Oh, it got stuck where it's not supposed to. Okay. I'll unstuck it. Okay. There. So I did it. Let me move the camera. Let me move the thing for. I'm gonna do like that so you see the movement of this in here. Okay. it looks legit, right? I think so. It's not supposed to be through that one, right? No, I don't think so. Let's see the drawing again. Oh no, we're good, we're good. I think we're good. Let's try it now, okay? Okay, let's first put this knife down. There. Now let's close this up. And let's close this up. Oh Jesus. I'll put that in there. I think that's supposed to go. Just give me a sec. Okay, like the red and the blue, like you see over there, need to go between that. So now let's try it. I already have everything good. Okay, I'm gonna try to see. Oh my god, it works. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. So let's see this. And this is the moment of truth, right? So let's see. Oh, this works. Oh, let's put it. Oh my god, it's hard to record and so at the same time. I don't even know. It is too. Oh my god, it kind of looked pretty cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is actually freaking amazing. Oh Jesus, that is so cool. I love it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So anyway, this is the first try. I hope you enjoy this crazy video. Maybe I'll do other videos. And oh, look, this is how it looks in the back. I don't think all the colors came through, but as you can see, like the other one kind of went through already, the green one. Do you see any green in here? I see the red, I see the blue. Oh, there's no green. Is the green is the black, so you should see black somewhere. I don't see it though, but anyway, it looks really nice and professional. I'm freaking surprised. I thought it was like just wow. I thought it was gonna be all crooked and messed up, but that's pretty good. Let's see over here, see how. Oh, this is why the black haven't shown, because the black is right here right now. You can see, I don't know, it's right at the needle. Oh shoot, maybe we should do a little bit more and see what happens. Okay, hold on, let me put these here. Oh gosh, I kind of want to put another fabric. Just give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I just put another piece in there, and here you can see the piece that it caught. Okay, I'm gonna do it now. Okay, everything is good. Did I put the footer down? Yes, I did. Okay, let's try. Oh, did it broke? Oh no. Oh, I see that the knot couldn't go through the needle, I think. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Did it go? No. Oh, it did break, but it's okay because it thread most of the thread, so I just need to pass it through there and that's it, right? So let me try that since it's already passed through everything in there. You see? Now I'm gonna try to pass it through there, but first I'm gonna turn off the machine. So I think I kind of did the thing. Okay, hold on. Let's do it standing here. And I do see black in there, so I'm putting this again Let's put it so it kind of cut a little bit, right? So because I did this part, that's the part that went really nice, and I'm gonna do this one. I put the footer down, and let's see how it does. Okay. Oh wow! Ooh, look how it goes in the back. Oh wow! And this is the thing in log. Very nice. Oh, I'm sorry. That's how it looks. That's with the 4 thread. Oh my god, it looks perfect. And that's the back. That looks super professional. This is the edge. Oh my god, I think I'm in love. I'm in love. This is super cool. I love this. I did it. Anyway, sorry about this crazy video, but I did tell you I was gonna share with you how was my experience with this, and I'm super impressed. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So now I just have to learn a little bit more, a lot more, and keep practicing. So I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want to see me trying something. Let me know in the comments, and hopefully I bring more videos like this one. So that's it. Take care, keep safe, and you'll be to the next one. Ciao. Ooh. Ciao.